Welcome to Learner Autonomy. In our exploration today, we will delve into the significance of curiosity in learning. The innate need to inquire fuels us to seek out the unknown, uncover solutions, and ultimately expand our knowledge of the universe. It is through this inquisitiveness that we have made influential breakthroughs and progressions that have largely impacted our modern-day civilization. What is curiosity? The innate human quality of curiosity propels us towards exploring the unknown, inquisitively seeking answers, and gaining knowledge that we previously did not possess. Devoid of such an inherent trait, we would come to a stagnation in our intellectual capabilities and limit our understanding of the environment around us. In essence, curiosity is an essential ingredient in the recipe for discovering novel concepts and evolving our comprehension of the world. The importance of curiosity in the learning process cannot be overstated. It serves as a vital driving force, propelling us towards an in-depth understanding of the subject matter at hand. With curiosity as our guide, we become more inquisitive, more open-minded, and more eager to explore and comprehend every facet of the topic. We begin to inquire, to probe, and to scrutinize, all in an effort to gain a more comprehensive understanding. As a result, we develop a deeper connection with the material, drawing upon our own experiences to create a robust and enduring learning experience that enriches our lives. How curiosity drives learning. The desire to know more about a topic is a potent incentive that propels our learning forward. When we find something intriguing, we become driven to delve deeper and uncover as much as we can about it. As a result, we become more adventurous in our pursuit of knowledge and try novel methods to get closer to the truth. We also scour various resources to acquire more comprehensive insights into the matter, driven by our insatiable curiosity. Curiosity is an essential quality that fuels our desire to explore, experiment, and discover the intricacies of the world we inhabit. It motivates us to seek answers to questions, to challenge long-standing beliefs and assumptions, and to go beyond our current knowledge and understanding. Cultivating our curiosity enables us to develop a deeper appreciation and understanding of the world around us. As we continue to learn, our curiosity not only endures but also intensifies, propelling us to pursue even more knowledge and gain a refined perception of the world. The benefits of curiosity in learning. The innate human trait of curiosity not only exists but has several advantages when it comes to learning. When we feel curious about any topic at hand, it instigates a sense of motivation in us to learn and interact with the given material. This surge of interest augments our willingness to comprehend and retain the information even better, enabling us to develop a more profound understanding of the subject in question. Apart from the positive impact on our motivation and engagement levels, curiosity has the potential to enhance our critical thinking abilities as well. Through the act of continuously posing questions and actively seeking fresh insights, we are empowered to scrutinize and assess concepts more efficiently. This, in turn, contributes to a greater inclination towards creativity and innovation in our professional or personal pursuits. Curiosity in the classroom. Establishing a learning environment that is safe and nurturing is of utmost importance in order to foster an atmosphere of inquiry and interest in the classroom setting. Educators can accomplish this by cultivating constructive connections with their pupils, outlining unambiguous guidelines for conduct, and furnishing chances for learners to work jointly and exchange their thoughts. Inquiry-based learning, a teaching approach that emphasizes curiosity, is an effective method for inspiring students to ask thought-provoking questions and explore new subjects. Teachers who employ this approach encourage students to take charge of their own learning experience by posing open-ended questions and allowing them to investigate topics on their own. As a result, students feel a sense of ownership over their education, which fosters their innate curiosity and helps them stay engaged in class. In addition to inquiry-based learning, providing students with opportunities for hands-on exploration and discovery can also ignite their natural sense of curiosity. Through activities and field trips, students can see firsthand the practical relevance of what they are learning and be inspired to further pursue these topics. By engaging in these enriching experiences, students remain captivated by the subject matter and continue to explore new ideas. Curiosity in online learning. The realm of online learning has the potential to serve as an immensely effective instrument in kindling and nurturing curiosity in students. This can be achieved by proffering a plethora of opportunities for them to delve into a virtually infinite reservoir of knowledge and information, using an array of multimedia tools to further refine their understanding and by providing an interactive atmosphere for them to express themselves in. Moreover, Incorporating social learning approaches can serve as a conduit for students to collaborate and learn from each other, imbuing them with a sense of camaraderie and a desire to learn more. In this way, online courses have the ability to engage learners like never before, far surpassing the capabilities of their traditional classroom counterparts. Online courses have emerged as a great way to facilitate learning with a plethora of resources at the disposal of learners. The courses typically present handy materials, including videos, podcasts, and interactive simulations that allow individuals to delve deeper into topics and concepts, providing a broader perspective. Further, thanks to their collaboration opportunities like discussion forums and peer review assignments, students can interact with their peers and instructors effectively. Such channels increase student curiosity and engagement, enabling better acquisition of knowledge. Overcoming obstacles to curiosity. The fear of failure is a common obstacle that often hampers individuals from exploring new ideas and taking bold steps. Often, people hold back because they are concerned about the consequences of making mistakes or being evaluated negatively by others. To overcome this obstacle, it can be helpful to view failure as a chance to gain valuable knowledge. Instead of focusing on the negative aspects of mistakes, we can train ourselves to perceive them as opportunities for growth and development. When we perceive failure as an occasion to learn and improve, we become more open to embracing our curiosity and taking risks without being held back by fear. One obstacle that can hinder our curiosity is a lack of motivation. When we lack the drive to seek learning opportunities or explore new ideas, it can be challenging to muster the vigor and enthusiasm necessary to pursue our interests. However, we can overcome this barrier by setting attainable objectives and dividing them into manageable chunks. This approach can help build our confidence and spur us on towards our larger goals. Through realistic goal setting and taking time to acknowledge even the smallest milestones along the way, we can maintain our momentum and stay motivated throughout our learning journey. Another hindrance that dulls curiosity is the pessimistic disposition towards learning, which is prevalent among many individuals. Such people may have suffered from negative encounters during their scholastic careers, or they may deem learning as tedious and unimportant. However, fostering a growth mindset that underscores the possibility of progress and advancement might offer a way out of this impairment. Once we accept the fact that there is always room for learning and self-improvement, we can welcome new experiences and challenges with enthusiasm and an open mind. The role of curiosity in innovation. The insatiable desire to learn and understand, also known as curiosity, serves as a compelling force that propels innovation forward. By fostering an environment that supports and encourages exploration, experimentation, and creativity, we unlock new realms of possibility and potential for growth. In the realm of commerce and entrepreneurship, this willingness to investigate and take calculated risks often leads to the development of groundbreaking products, services, and strategies which revolutionize entire industries and catalyze progress and development. Consider the remarkable narrative of Steve Jobs and his endeavors in developing the pioneering Macintosh computer. An individual renowned for his unquenchable thirst for knowledge and innovation, Jobs exhibited a willingness to explore cutting-edge concepts and technologies. Upon recognizing the massive potential of the graphical user interface, or GUI, and the mouse as game-changing tools for redefining human-computer interaction, he and his team set out to breathe life into their revolutionary vision. Through a process of tireless experimentation and refinement, they successfully brought their idea to fruition, ultimately creating a product which would go on to fundamentally reshape the future of computing. The dark side of curiosity. Although curiosity is typically regarded as a desirable trait, it is crucial to recognize that it may result in negative outcomes. Under certain circumstances, curiosity can lead to immoral conduct or dependency, as some people strive to fulfill their curiosity at all costs, even when it is harmful to themselves or others. To steer clear of the negative consequences that may arise from our actions, it is imperative to establish limits and conscientiously weigh the possible outcomes. Striking a balance between our inquisitiveness and our moral obligations involves taking care not to injure ourselves or anyone else in the quest for knowledge. Cultivating curiosity. One of the most powerful strategies for stimulating curiosity is to ask questions. When we question the world around us, we broaden our horizons and become receptive to fresh ideas and perspectives. Whether we're seeking knowledge on the mundane or pondering the existential, the act of questioning can unveil hidden truths and offer new insights. Cultivating curiosity can be effectively achieved by seeking out novel experiences. Engaging in activities or trying things that we have never done before can be a challenging yet rewarding experience. It pushes us out of our comfort zones and into the great unknown. Whether it be savoring a new kind of cuisine, embarking on an adventure to a new place, or acquiring a new skill, these activities broaden our horizons and allow us to gain a more profound sense of appreciation for the world around us. Curiosity and lifelong learning. Curiosity is a mindset that lasts far longer than a mere passing feeling, and staying curious can open up a world of opportunities for personal advancement and maturation. Developing and nurturing one's curiosity enables ongoing learning and exploration, regardless of age or previous life experiences. To foster a sense of inquisitiveness, it's beneficial to actively pursue novel and demanding tasks. Examples of such activities could encompass exploring untried cuisine, acquiring proficiency in an unfamiliar language, or picking up a fresh pastime. By venturing beyond our usual boundaries, we can broaden our perspective and happen upon previously unknown fascinations and enthusiasms. To summarize, our exploration has revealed the remarkable influence of curiosity on the learning process. By igniting a desire for discovery, experimentation, and exploration, curiosity not only leads to a deeper understanding of information but also enhances motivation and engagement. Furthermore, we have examined effective techniques for inspiring curiosity, which include asking questions, pursuing novel experiences, and embracing the unknown. It goes without saying that nurturing curiosity is paramount if one is to maintain a continuous cycle of personal development and lifelong education. Embracing our innate curiosity and unwaveringly pursuing new insights and knowledge are the keys to unlocking a world of opportunities and enriching experiences that propel us to greater heights. Let us, therefore, make a conscious effort to tap into our inner curiosities and strive to learn and grow ceaselessly, day in and day out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more value. Goodbye and see you in the next video.